Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to change the color of yarn if you work in a round. It's invisible change. Always finish the round with the slip stitch and make chain one with the new color of yarn. I'm going to make single crochets. So insert your hook into the next stitch and grab the gray color, but finish the single crochet by the green one. Next single crochets repeat the same, so start with gray color of yarn and finish the single crochet by the green one. If you will make half double crochets or double crochets, it will be exactly the same. You always must start with the, in my case, gray one and finish the single crochet or half double crochet or double crochet by the gray color of yarn in my case. I hope it's understandable. If it's not, just write me below the video and I will answer you straight away. So continue working like this till the end of this round. Then I will show you what else you have to do. So in this case, when I'm making single crochets, make always single crochet or start with the gray color and finish the single crochet with green color. And we are at the end of the round. So this is last single crochet, and now you have to join the round with a slip stitch. So insert your hook into the chain what we made on start of this round and make a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch with the green color of yarn. Then you can start a new round with chain one, but I will work in round. You can see it's straight and it looks a lot of nicer than when you will change the colors by normal way like you always do. So you can start a new round with chain one, but it's unnecessary for me. I'm going to work in round and just make one single crochet in each stitch all the way around, and I'm going to make 3 more rows or 2 more rows, and then I will show you again how to change the colors of yarn. And don't be surprised, it will be a little harder to make single crochets in this round. It will be harder to insert the hook into the stitches. Okay, when you want to change the color of yarn again, finish the round with a slip stitch and then chain 1 with a new color of yarn. Now I'm going to make single crochets again, so insert your hook into the next stitch, grab the green color and finish the single crochet by the gray color of yarn. Insert your hook into the next stitch, grab the green color of yarn and finish the single crochet by the gray color of yarn, and repeat it in every stitch all the way around, and that's all. I think it's the best way how to change colors of yarn. You can use it when you will make animals, when you will make a hat and you will need to change colors. So this is the nicest way how to change colors of yarn. So I hope it will be useful for you. If it's useful for you, just let me know below the video, and if you like the video, put a thumb up. I will be very happy for it. And that's really all. We are nearly at the end of this round. So I will show you again how to finish the round. Okay, and at the end of this round, just make a slip stitch in the chain what you made on the start of this round, and that's really all. So make a slip stitch and then you can continue working single crochets like always. So if you want to make animals like giraffe, for example, just click on the link above or in description of this video, and that's all from me. Have a lovely day and see you next time. Bye bye.